All right, a little update. Ain't been on here in a while, but picked up a new little daily driver. It's 2011 Mustang GTCS. Bought it from a family member. Just kind of want to give a quick little overview of how it looked when I first picked it up. Not a whole lot's been done to it. It's got the Cobra Jet intake and stuff, Lund tune, tires and wheels, long tube headers, some Raxium tail lights and stuff in the Cervini's hood. But I'm gonna go ahead and I still gotta do a lot of cleaning and stuff. It's pretty dirty underneath the hood. I had to clean the interior up a little bit, but we're gonna get all that fixed underway. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of give a little quick update, kind of see how the car looked before I do a couple changes to it and get it how I want it. It's got the Corsa Extreme black tips, which those are coming off. They're too damn loud. And let's see, I'm trying to say what else. Yeah, that's about it. Still got the other two still sitting here. Got out of storage, got everything in one place now, finally, almost everything in one place. I'll do a separate video on that eventually too. The 09's still the same. Well, a few similar changes since my video from, I don't know, probably 5 years ago since I did it. Still need to do a video on this one day too, eventually. But now that everything's in one place, I can finally have more time to focus on stuff. But yeah, I'll throw in a couple pictures too, just how it looked. But for now, I'm gonna start taking the back wheels off and changing the axle back out. I'm just gonna throw some stock axle backs in there that I picked up from a guy I know, Rob, and yeah, do that, run it like that, because like I said, this is gonna be my daily driver. Keep miles off the trucks and everything. Trucks are getting beat up. I was driving quite a bit of miles every day for work, so yeah, that's it. I'll give an update here. In the next few seconds, you'll see it switch over. Okay, so the last clip you just saw was like from 3 months ago, 4 months ago, almost, when I got the car at the end of April. So this is August now, and I got the car running. It was already running, but made a bunch of changes, fixed a bunch of things. So I'm just going to do a little kind of quick walk around of the things that have changed. Hopefully the lighting's decent in here in the shop. Stock hood went back on. Found some S550 GTCS wheels. Just slapped those on. And did a few things. Do a little walk around here. It's kind of wet because I just kind of hand washed it real quick. Stock tail lights are back in it. It's got stock axle back. I will have a separate video. I'm doing some exhaust, like cold start and stuff on it. But yeah, I've been daily driving it since June, early June. Still needs a little bit of work, but it is drivable. Interior's not too bad. Door panels need to be replaced. Got both of those, or not door panels, excuse me, little inserts. Same with that side. Go ahead and pop the hood. Got the stock intake manifold back on it, stock air box, Motorcraft air filter. I did a motorcraft battery, wiper blades. I did a whole bunch of stuff. Just little wear and tear items that need to be updated and stuff. Brakes, shocks and struts. As far as performance mods that it has left, it still has the Cook's 1 7/8" long tubes and the catted X pipe. I wasn't going to change that out, obviously. I have Cook's on everything else, so for one, I wasn't going to do that. Just all the work to put it back to stock with the headers and rest of the exhaust, but I like it anyway, so it's staying. And then it has a one-piece aluminum dry shaft from Dry Shaft Shop, and was off of one of my cars, and I sold it to the previous owner years ago, and now I ended back up with it again because it's in this car. But that is about it. I had my old GT 500 replicas on it. I had that for a while on it. I was rolling with it, but I got these, like I said, got these GTCS wheels off a S550. And I'm going to roll with that for a while. The car may be up for sale. I'm going to try to post it, see what I need to find me something with a 4-cylinder or something, daily drive. I'm driving so many miles every day, and this gets good gas mileage, but I'm still just filling up because there's only so many miles you can get out of the tank on these things, even with them cruising on the highway. But that is it. Now you can kind of compare from the first part of the video what was what was done. Had the Cobra Jet and stuff. Now it's pretty much bone stock except for the headers and the dry shaft still on it, and still it's back to stock tune. Runs fine, no issues. And yeah, by the time this video goes up, it may be sold, it may not be, we'll see. But yep, that's the video of the red 2011 Mustang GTCS 5-liter Coyote 6R80 that I bought in April, and August 15th now, I think. Let me go look. Almost 4 months because I got it 16th, excuse me. I've owned it almost 4 months. I got it late April, so or it might have been around this time. But anyways, that's it. See you next time.